Oh, hi there. I'm Adam, and I was just skiing on the Blizzard Rustler 9. Great ski for that strong intermediate to expert level skier who wants something that's going to spend the majority of their time on piste, have no problems taking it off piste. Has Blizzard's Flipcore DRT, which is this little metal insert. It's pretty much really under the foot of the ski, so you get a lot of rigidity and power when you're cranking on it. So it's a little bit softer in the tip. It's a little bit easier to roll into a turn. Ski's great in the bumps. It's very maneuverable underfoot and just very stable at speed. Awesome ride for that strong intermediate to expert who wants to spend most of their time on piste, have no problems heading off.